Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Look what I have here. I have these huge raw mangoes and today we're going to make this Andhra special raw mango chutney. Now we call this Mamdikai Roti Pachadi and it tastes excellent with some nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee. So let's get started and check it out. To a heavy bottom pan, add half a teaspoon of oil. Once warm, toss in 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Keep the flame on medium and roast everything until it turns to a golden brown and gives off a lovely nutty aroma. As the dal start to change color, add in a few garlic cloves, maybe 4 to 5, and roast them along with the spices. The mixture should be beautifully aromatic and golden. Once done, transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. Now to the same pan, add about 20 red chilies. Adjust the number of chilies according to your spice preference. Roast them well as they'll bring the perfect balance to the tangy mango. Once done, transfer the chilies to a plate. Once the chilies are cooled down completely, remove the stalks and discard them. For this recipe, I'm using 2 large raw mangoes. Peel off the skin and chop them into medium-sized cubes. To a mixer jar, first add the roasted red chilies. Then add the rest of the roasted ingredients. Add 1.5 teaspoons of rock salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and grind everything to a nice coarse mixture. Now add half of the chopped raw mango pieces and grind in pulse mode. This keeps the chutney slightly chunky and rustic, just the way it should be. Once that's done, add the remaining mango chunks and pulse again until it's all well blended, but not too smooth. Little texture makes all the difference. Look at that beautiful mango chutney. It's thick, bold and tangy with that little bits of mango here and there. So that texture gives it a lovely bite and a traditional feel. Now for the tempering, in a small pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now toss in 5 crushed garlic cloves and roast until it's golden. Turn off the flame and quickly add 2 broken red chilies and half teaspoon of asafoetida powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Pour the sizzling tempering straight over the chutney and give it a good mix. So there you go, here is this nice spicy and tangy raw mango chutney that's ready to be served. So if you're tired of the same old sambar or rasam, try this traditional South Indian mango chutney for a nice spicy and tangy twist. It might just become your new favorite. You can enjoy this chutney with some nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee on top. Trust me, it's a total flavor bomb. That raw mango chutney is just incredible. I've mixed it with the nice hot steaming rice and ghee and I've made it into small balls like this so it'll be easy to eat. Let me taste and I will tell you how it is. Wow. You know, at home, my mom makes these like this. She'll mix it with rice and she gives it to us. And we all love to sit around and just enjoy these like that. So good. The flavors are just amazing. Perfect. Wow. The flavors are just incredible. The tanginess, the spiciness and everything is a perfect balance. And eating like this is truly nostalgic for me. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.